I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon.
Sania Akhtar.
Yes, sir.
In which year you have completed your LLM?
Sir, I have completed my LLM in 2024.
And what is your dissertation topic?
So my dissertation topic is plea bargaining, comparative analysis of the laws in US, UK, Canada and India.
अच्छा, किस अमेंडमेंट के थ्रू ये हमारे सीआरपीसी में इनकॉर्पोरेट किया गया?
So, Criminal Law Amendment Act 2005.
कब एनफोर्स हुआ?
In 2006, sir.
चैप्टर नंबर?
21A.
प्रोविजंस?
265A to 265L.
ठीक है. What fact is to be considered when the court grant temporary injunction?
So, three factors have been laid down which the court has to consider while granting temporary injunction. These are the case has to be proved prima facie, second is balance of convenience, and the third being irreparable injury.
And other factors
There are some other factors as well, that is for example good conduct of the party. As we say, he who seeks equity must do equity, so the party must come to the court with clean hands. His own conduct must be equitable enough.
Very good. Okay, what is the meaning of reciprocal promises? Can you tell me with an example?
Sure, sir. Sir, for example, if I tell you that by the first day of next month, if you give me your car, I'll give you 50,000 rupees on that date. So this constitutes reciprocal promise, sir.
Okay, sir, please.
Okay. What is partnership at will?
Yes, sir. So partnership at will is a form of partnership which can be terminated at any time on the will of the partners. It does not require a notice to be given before terminating the partnership.
Okay, and what are the general duties of partners?
Yes, sir. So the general duties of partners are to conduct the business with due diligence, to communicate to the other partners any difficulty which arises, not to gain private profit out of the partnership business, and to use the partnership property with reasonable diligence and with due skills for the partnership business itself.
Okay. Can you define proposal?
Yes, sir. So proposal is when a party makes an offer to the other party with a view to obtain the assent of that other party. It constitutes a proposal.
Okay. Section 27 of Indian Contract says that an agreement in restraint of trade void.
Yes, sir.
Is there any exception in Partnership Act?
Yes, sir. So in Partnership Acts, sir, I cannot recall the exact provisions, but in Partnership Act there are 4 exceptions to this. One is during the continuance of partnership, the partners cannot carry on any other business with any other person, or singly they cannot carry any other business during during the period they remain partner of the partnership firm.
Okay, and which contracts cannot be specifically performed?
So the contracts which cannot be specifically performed has been given under section 14. So the first is the contract which requires the supervision of a continuous duty which the court cannot supervise. Second is a contract for which the party has obtained substituted performance under section 20 of the Specific Relief Act. Third being, sir, where it is not where the personal skill or qualification of the party is involved, and fourthly
It's okay, sir.
सानिया ये बताइए कि सॉलिटरी कन्फाइनमेंट क्या होता है?
So solitary confinement is a kind of confinement which is more severer in kind, because the offender is kept, as the name suggests, he is kept in solitude apart from the other offenders. It can only be provided for those offences for which rigorous imprisonment has been provided as an offence.
Okay. सानिया एक व्यक्ति है, that person has committed a cognizable offence.
Yes, sir.
अब सवाल ये है कि पुलिस उसे गिरफ्तार करेगी. That person is not willing to go to the jail. But the thing is that कि जिस राज्य में वो स्टे कर रहा है ना, वहाँ पे एंटीसिपेटरी बेल का कॉन्सेप्ट है ही नहीं.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब उसके पास क्या रेमेडीज है?
Sir, he can apply to the High Court by a writ petition under Article 226.
Okay. Apart from that?
Sir, I'm not sure, but maybe he can approach the Supreme Court.
ठीक है. आपने मेंटेनेंस पढ़ा है सीआरपीसी 125 में?
Yes, sir.
इसके लिए एक इंटरिम वर्ड भी यूज किया जाता है, इंटरिम मेंटेनेंस. वो कितने दिनों के अंदर डिसाइड हो जाना चाहिए?
So within 60 days
और ये डेट कहाँ से कैलकुलेट होगी?
from the date of filing of the application.
ओके. अगर मैं बात करता हूँ प्लेंट की, तो प्लेंट के अंदर किन किन चीजों का जिक्र करना बहुत ही जरूरी है?
So the name of the court in which the suit is brought, the value of the subject matter for the purpose of jurisdiction and court fees, the cause of action and when it arose. If the party is a person of unsound mind or a minor, then a statement to that effect. If the party has relinquished or omitted a part of the claim, then the part he has so relinquished, or if he has allowed a set off, so we have to state that amount.
Okay. What is the object of the contract of agency?
Yes, sir. So the object of a contract of agency is basically because a person cannot perform every act by itself. So it has been created for the convenience, especially for business purposes, where a person can carry out his acts with the medium of other persons.
Okay. Doctrine of holding out क्या होता है?
Yes, sir. So doctrine of holding out is when a person allows any other person to hold out himself as the owner of a certain property which is not his. Afterwards, he cannot be allowed to go back on his statement. He cannot say that I didn't authorize this person to sell my property or deal with my property, because he was holding himself out as to the world as the owner of the property with the consent of the real owner.
ठीक है. सानी, आखिरी सवाल आपसे है, स्पीकर और चेयरमैन में क्या बेसिक डिफरेंस है, दोनों की क्या-क्या ड्यूटीज होती हैं?
Yes, sir. So the first difference which I can recall is speaker has to be elected by the house. The members elect a person among themselves to be speaker, whereas chairman of the Rajya Sabha is ex officio. The vice president of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
थैंक यू सर.
शानिया, आप मुझे बताएंगे, आपने अपनी हॉबीज़ में बेकिंग
Yes, sir.
लिखा है, इसको प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन करिए.
Yes, sir. So I'm not into very fancy baking. I don't bake proper bakery items. I bake dry cakes, cookies. I incline more towards baking dry items, which can be stored and can be used over a longer period of time.
ओके. एंड आपने LLM 2024 में किया है,
Yes, sir.
राइट? फिर उसके अभी जुडिशरी की तैयारी आप कर रहे हैं. जज क्यों बनना चाहते हैं आप?
So I didn't plan to become a judge. I won't say that I plan to become a judge since I was a child. Actually, I did plan to become a judge when I was in my 4th year. Actually, there was a moot court competition in my college, and we have a senior who is currently serving in the Delhi Judicial Services. She came to judge the moot round, and when I talked to her, it just felt very inspirational, and it was then when I began digging more into it. What are the pros of the services, and what changes can I bring in the society, and how does it differ from the other jobs? I do realize that it will put a greater responsibility on my shoulders, and that is what it makes more challenging for me. Since childhood, I have been inclined towards the more challenging stuff.
ओके. आपको प्रधानमंत्री बनना है, आपकी क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशंस होनी चाहिए?
I must have the qualification to be elected as a member of the Lok Sabha. That is, I must be minimum 25 years of age, and generally, sir, I have to be a member of the House of the People to be elected Prime Minister. But in exceptional circumstances, a person can become a minister as well as a Prime Minister without being a member of the House, but he has to get elected within 6 months.
हज़ारीबाग किस लिए जाना जाता है?
So Hazaribagh is known for 2 major things which I know of. Firstly is the National Park of Hazaribagh. Secondly, sir, the Hazaribagh Rice Research Institute.
ओके. आप झारखंड से हैं आप और बिहार में जज बनना चाहते हैं, इसके पीछे कोई कारण?
So there's no specific reason. I just want to serve in the judicial services, and the state does not matter to me much. Whatever state I join, I will be deemed to be a part of the judicial services, and that itself will be an honor for me.
और अगर आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ तो?
So if I don't get selected, then I'll try again.
ओके, प्लीज़ सर.
जजमेंट आया था बेल को लेकर, सत्येंद्र कुमार है,
Yes, sir.
2-3 पॉइंट्स बताएं जरा.
So in Satyendra Kumar Antil, firstly it was said that there has to be no automatic arrest on filing of charge sheet about a person. The circumstances which have been mentioned under section 41 CRPC have to be fulfilled. And the most important thing, sir, in this judgment, the court classified offences into 4 types.
ठीक है. एक और दूसरा अनदर जजमेंट है सुनीता अग्रवाल वर्सेस एनसीटी दिल्ली, एंटीसिपेटरी बेल को लेकर.
Sir, I cannot exactly recall. If you allow, can I take a guess?
Yes.
As far as I can recall, in this case, it was said that there can be no blanket order of anticipatory bail.
ओके. एनआई एक्ट पढ़ा आपने?
Yes, sir, not in very detail since it wasn't my
अगर
automatic.
मैंने आपको एक अकाउंट पे ही चेक काट के दिया,
Yes.
अकाउंट पे ही चेक डिसऑनर्ड हो जाता है, तो फिर किस कोर्ट को जुरिस्डिक्शन होगी?
So the court where the check on which the check was drawn, that court will have jurisdiction.
ठीक, आप जा सकते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ने मेंस दिया था तो सही हो गए थे सारे पेपर?
सर सही तो हुए थे बट एग्जैक्टली सर क्योंकि ये मेरा पहला मेंस था, मतलब पहला सीरियसली मैंने यूपी दिया था, बट क्योंकि यूपी और बिहार के एग्ज़ाम्स में सिर्फ 1 वीक का गैप था तो मैंने बिहार को प्रायोरिटाइज़ किया था।
वीक में मेंस लिखा था आपने?
यस सर।
हो गया तो क्वालिफाई?
नहीं सर, सर वही मैं बता रही हूँ कि बिहार यूपी के मेंस के बाद विद इन अ वीक बिहार का प्रीलिम्स था और सब्जेक्ट्स में काफ़ी डिफरेंस था। यूपी के लिए मुझे उसके लोकल लॉस पढ़ने पड़ते तो मैंने बिहार को प्रायोरिटाइज़ किया था।
ओके, छूटा तो नहीं कोई मेंस में आपका?
नहीं सर, छूटा कुछ भी नहीं है।
चलिए वेरी गुड। जैसे आपका इंटरव्यू है ना, तो हम लोग जो है काफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं आपके उससे और आपकी ड्रेस कोड, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, प्रेजेंटेशन और इन सबसे बेहतर है आपकी नॉलेज। और नॉलेज जो है आपने जो एक्सप्रेस की है वो बहुत अच्छा है आपका प्रेजेंटेशन, ठीक है। बाकी तो एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड और आप रैंक होल्डर कैंडिडेट है। वेरी गुड, ऑल द बेस्ट। डेफिनेटली आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, रैंक अच्छी आएगी आपकी।